I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble unlocking your card on Binance, follow these steps to get back on track. Step 1. Open the Binance app. Launch the Binance app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to wallets. Tap on the wallet icon at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your account balances and card options. Step 3. Select your card. Find and select the card you want to unlock. This will bring up the card management options. Step 4. Unlock card option. Look for the unlock card option in the settings. Tap on it to proceed with the unlocking process. Step 5. Confirm your action. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. If you don't receive the verification code, check your spam folder or ensure your contact information is up to date in your profile settings. I hope this guide helps you unlock your card easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.